Ask me a question. Sorry. Ask me a question.
At Matt Jordan Tattoo wants to know, where do babies come from?
Well, duh.
We won't be making any videos about that. Google it.
At Joshua B wants to know, how do you blanch vegetables?
That's a really good question, Josh. How do you blanch vegetables? Rolling salted water. So you read this everywhere. A lot of the times, people will be like, it's hot, and try to jump the gun. Make sure it's a rolling boil. So you want to have the bubbles, you want them to be moving. Season it well. If it grows above the ground, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it into the boiling water. If you want to serve them cold, you can shock and refresh them. So you can scoop them out and put them into iced water with ice in it. Or you can serve them right away. Also, if you want to have something very green and keep it super vibrant and make like a puree, you can add baking soda. And the baking soda will break down whatever you've got inside of it very quickly. So not only will it be vibrant, but it will also break down and maintain color. So you have to be careful with that one. Have fun!